If you use Canva a lot and want to speed up your editing, knowing how to open Magic Studio is a game changer. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to open Magic Studio in Canva, step by step, so you can get to the right editing tools faster and start creating with less hassle. This is perfect whether you're editing a social media post, a thumbnail, a flyer, or any other design inside Canva. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy Canva tips and software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Canva in your browser or in the Canva app and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're inside Canva, open the design you want to edit. This could be an existing project from your homepage, a recent design, or a new file you've already started working on. After your design opens, click on the photo or image you want to edit. This is important because Magic Studio tools usually appear when you've selected an element on the canvas, especially an image. Now look at the top toolbar. You should see an option that says Edit. Click on Edit, and that will open the Magic Studio tools for that selected photo. Depending on what you've chosen, Canva may show you different AI editing options, image adjustments, and special effects under the Magic Studio area. Once Magic Studio opens, you can explore the available tools and choose the one that fits your project best. For example, you may be able to enhance the image, remove the background, or apply other quick edits without leaving the design. If you don't see the tools right away, just make sure the photo is selected properly and that you're clicking the top edit option inside the toolbar. That's the main step people miss. So to quickly recap, open Canva, open your design, select the photo, and click Edit in the top toolbar to open Magic Studio tools. And that's it. Now you know how to open Magic Studio in Canva in just a few simple steps. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.